Guess you know how to start the program now.
Uh-huh. By storing specifics of a person without consent.
Go ahead. You plan on taking the whole day?
Well, it's one long list. List? A list can hold the specifics of a person.
Almost there. With that, you can use something you learned recently.
Dictionaries?
Exactly.
But how?
Remember how they store information?
Key value pairs. So?
Well, what values are we trying to store here?
List of specifics?
And what will you name the list?
I'd call the list of my specifics as Theo specifics, yours as Irby specifics, and so on.
That means we have a person's name and their specifics.
Yeah.
So, can our names be the keys in a dictionary and our specifics be the value?
Yes. Yes, they can.
That way, we can get a person's specifics from the dictionary.
Using their names. But last time, on the colon's right side, we had a single value. Here it's a list. Is it okay?
Absolutely. Values can be anything. Lists, tuples, sets.
Great. So in the program, we create a dictionary with names as keys.
And list of specifics as values.